Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Rolodex Mesh Collection Spinning Desktop Sorter. Okay, now if you've never seen one of these before, it's a Rolodex that rotates. This is like the coolest part about this. And it goes all the way around, 360 degrees, all the way around, and it's mesh, and it's a really handy item to have on your desk. Now, in this little rotating mesh holder, you have a lot of compartments. You have a place to put your pencils or markers or anything like that. You could also put them in the top portions here, and here you can put like erasers or the thumbtacks or clips or anything like that in any of these areas here. Here you might want to put like some staples or things like that. That's kind of how I use it. And anything else you might need, you might lean some Post-its or anything right here and have it there at your beck and call when you need it. It's really nice to have a piece of equipment that you can store so much in and be able to rotate it on its, on a swivel here, that you can get to anything really quick. This is a very, very good device for anybody that has like a work desk, or even like some artists that have special tools they use for drawing. You could keep, like I said, your pencils, your brushes, your erasers, any object that you may need for the duty at hand. It's here. And some things you might want to put in here that don't stick out of the top. It might be like have like end right there or something. That's why it's good that it's a mesh, so you can actually see through it, and tell what's inside. I mean, if this was completely clear, which they have though, I'm not clear, but like covered, solid, you couldn't see inside. And you wouldn't want to put things in there that didn't stick out of the top. This way you can, if you need to, because, you can see what's in there. I've seen a lot of different items kind of like this, but it's that way where you have to, where you can't see on the inside. And that's not really that cool. Yeah, I've been using this kind of device probably for about 4 years. For having something like this, I was just, having my pens and, thumbtacks and staples and things like that just scattered all around my desk, and it was very unorganized. This came along because I saw someone else using it on their desk at work, and I asked about it, inquired about it, and they told me how they got it, and I was like, wow, really? Okay, yeah, let me try that. And so I ordered one, and I got it, and it works very, very well. And it's real easy to fill this up pretty quick with all your little knickknacks and everything. You'll be so surprised. Okay, this is the black one, but I believe it also comes in 2 other different colors. I believe it's white and maybe a stainless steel. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure it comes in different colors. Yeah, I am preference to the black because it goes with a lot of the things that are already on my desk. I have like a little black setup on my desk with different items. But yeah, this is really, really good. And I think that I'll probably continue to use this and tell people that, have messy desks to get one of these, because you'll be so surprised how nice your desk will look once you fill this up. Once you take off all the clutter and, take off all the things that are just laying around and then put them in here, and it's fitting nicely and looks very organized. You will have so much more space on your desk once you do that. It'll be amazing to you. I couldn't believe how much stuff this held and how it organized my desk. It was amazing. I liked it a lot. Yeah. Okay. Well, that is the Rolodex Mesh Collection Spinning Desktop Sorter. Yeah. Okay, well, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.